So we got an announcement from Sail telling everyone to wear orange. So we're wearing orange. And as you can see, so is nobody else.
Ahoy there! Welcome to Sail Amsterdam, the event where the Dutch prove they're not just good at biking in the rain, they've also been conquering the seas for centuries. Way back in the 1600s, the Dutch weren't just merchants, they were a global trade empire. And today, with the sea always pushing against the below sea level country, the sea-savvy Dutch are still proud of those nautical ways. Today, Sail Amsterdam is a floating festival of epic proportions. A parade of ships of all sizes and shapes from around the world glide into the harbor. So, grab your binoculars, learn your sea shanties, and get ready to sail through history right in the heart of Amsterdam. Sail Amsterdam is only held every 5 years. It began to celebrate Amsterdam's 700th birthday in 1975, and this year marked 10 years since the event was held due to the pandemic. It's also Amsterdam's 750th birthday now, creating a perfect storm of reasons to celebrate. Just ask any of the 2.5 million people in attendance. Sail Amsterdam sends out 800 official invitations, but if you have a seaworthy boat, you're allowed to join the parade. This year, there were over 10,000 boats for the parade in and out of IJmuiden. You can actually tour many of the historical vessels. We went aboard the Vega, a Swedish three-masted schooner built in 1909. She started life as a cargo ship in the Baltic, but later got a motor in the 1930s, and after decades of hard work and even sinking once, she was rescued and rebuilt. Today she sails again as both a tall wooden ship and a cargo vessel, showing how wind power can still move goods across the ocean. Vega is distinct for being a zero-emissions ship.
Ahoy there, matey!
I love this kitchen. It's very 1970s. I'm all about 1970s, as you know. I love the smell of petrol in the morning.
Set of bunks? Over here, another set of bunks?
Those are comfy, actually. They're more comfortable than some New York apartments I've had. Oh, see our lounge pulled up. We got orange.
There is plenty to do at the 5-day festival, from music concerts to dining and shopping, special exhibitions and carnival rides. But for most of the time, we were content to just do some mensen kijken, or rather, schip kijken. It was so relaxing, we did it all day, twice, for the parade in and on the final day for the parade out.
Oh god, they're so tiny. Uh-oh.
The guy has a
We had a collision. And you see they put their sails down?
Have you been to Sail Amsterdam? Would you want to be a spectator or a participant next time? Let us know in the comments. And thanks for watching.